Venus is like Earth's sister planet. Often referred to as Earth's twin, Venus shares many similarities with our home planet. Both planets are similar in size, mass, and composition, which makes Venus an intriguing subject of study for scientists and astronomers alike. They are almost the same size. Venus has a diameter of about 12,104 kilometers, which is just slightly smaller than Earth's diameter of 12,742 kilometers. This close resemblance in size is one of the reasons why Venus is often called Earth's twin. But Venus is very different from Earth. Despite their similarities, the conditions on Venus are extremely harsh and inhospitable. The surface of Venus is covered with vast plains, highland regions, and thousands of volcanoes, some of which may still be active. It is the hottest planet in our solar system. The average surface temperature on Venus is around 467 degrees Celsius, 872 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hot enough to melt lead. This intense heat is due to the planet's thick atmosphere and proximity to the Sun. Venus is very hot because of its thick atmosphere. The atmosphere is composed of multiple layers, each contributing to the extreme greenhouse effect that traps heat on the planet's surface. The atmosphere on Venus is mostly carbon dioxide. In fact, carbon dioxide makes up about 96.5% of the atmosphere, with nitrogen and trace amounts of other gases making up the rest. This gas traps heat from the Sun. The thick carbon dioxide atmosphere creates a runaway greenhouse effect, where heat is trapped and cannot escape, leading to the extremely high temperatures observed on Venus. Venus is also very cloudy. The planet is shrouded in thick clouds that cover the entire surface, making it impossible to see the ground from space without the use of radar imaging. The clouds are made of sulfuric acid. These clouds are highly reflective and contribute to the planet's bright appearance in the night sky. However, they also add to the hostile environment on Venus. These clouds make Venus even hotter. The sulfuric acid clouds not only reflect sunlight but also trap heat, further intensifying the greenhouse effect and making Venus the hottest planet in our solar system. Imagine a doll landing on Venus. The moment it touches down, it would be greeted by an environment unlike any other in our solar system. The doll would feel the heat right away. Venus is the hottest planet, with temperatures soaring to unimaginable levels. The temperature on Venus is over 900 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than any oven on Earth. That's hot enough to melt lead. Imagine metals turning into liquid pools under such extreme conditions. The doll's clothes would start to burn almost instantly. The fabric wouldn't stand a chance against the searing heat. The doll's plastic body would melt too. The intense heat would cause it to deform and disintegrate rapidly. Venus is a very harsh place. Its surface is covered with rocky terrain and volcanic plains, making it incredibly inhospitable. Nothing can survive on the surface of Venus. The extreme temperatures and harsh conditions make it a truly desolate world. The air pressure on Venus is also very high. It's 90 times stronger than Earth's air pressure. Imagine being crushed by the weight of 60 cars. That's what the air pressure on Venus feels like. The doll would be crushed by the air pressure. It would be like a pancake. The rain on Venus is not like rain on Earth. While we experience water droplets falling from the sky, Venus has a much more hostile environment. The clouds on Venus are thick and filled with sulfuric acid, creating a toxic and corrosive rain that is nothing like the gentle showers we know. This rain is made of sulfuric acid, a highly corrosive substance that can cause severe damage to anything it touches. Imagine a liquid so powerful that it can eat through metal and organic material alike. Sulfuric acid is very dangerous. It is used in various industrial processes on Earth, but always with extreme caution. The presence of such a substance in the atmosphere of Venus makes the planet incredibly hostile. It can burn through skin and bone, causing severe injuries or even death. The corrosive nature of sulfuric acid means that it can destroy almost anything it comes into contact with, making Venus an extremely dangerous place. If a doll was somehow left on the surface of Venus, the acid rain would quickly dissolve it. The harsh conditions would break down the materials, leaving nothing behind. This gives us a glimpse into just how uninhabitable Venus truly is. Venus is a very dangerous place. The surface is covered with volcanic landscapes and the atmosphere is filled with toxic gases. The combination of high temperatures, high pressure and acid rain creates an environment that is extremely hostile to life as we know it. It's too hot, the air pressure is too high, and the rain is made of acid. These conditions make it impossible for any known life forms to survive. The surface temperature is hot enough to melt lead, and the atmospheric pressure is crushing. Nothing can survive on Venus. The planet's extreme conditions make it one of the most inhospitable places in our solar system. Despite its similarities to Earth in size and composition, Venus is a world of extremes where life as we know it cannot exist.